What is Angapradakshanam is another question which where I get from more of my North Indian students. Angapradakshanam, and why do I ask people to do it? Whenever your flow is very less, and whenever you don't get your periods for a very long time, which means your upper abdomen should be very heavy, and there is no proper physical activity or that's happening in your body, because of which you develop a big belly. It is not a pregnancy belly, but it is more like the belly which men have, and even women are developing it. It is like upper abdomen, it is so heavy, for which Anga Pradakshina is the direct cure of it. And also, it's a very clear indication that there is no proper supply of energy to the spleen, or the spleen is not working properly. So, these are the important cases. Now, when you do your exercises properly, automatically all this problem will get solved. But which one is the effective? Should I go for a gym? Should I go for jogging? Should I buy a Nike shoe and all that? Will be a usual question. Anga Pradakshanam is one of a common Indian ritual which is being done in temples. You find a lot of women and men as well doing this kind of thing. Go to Google and type it as Anga Pradakshanam and search for images. You will understand what I'm telling. You just got to keep both your hands above your head and roll on the ground or roll on your floor. Now, I'm no way asking you to go and do it in a temple and all that. I'm only asking you to do it in your hall. Push all the sofa, tea table and all aside to the walls, and at least if you're able to, ma'am, I don't have a lot of space to do this Anga Pradakshina. Mine is a very small house. These are usual queries I get. But then even if you're able to rotate one time, two time right and one time, two time left, more than enough. So I think it must be possible. Otherwise, Surya Namaskaram is there. Surya Namaskaram is an excellent way to help you get your periods. But Anga Pradakshanam is something that will increase the flow like anything. It will flush out all the toxic things that has been remaining in your body for a very long time. So minimum of 50 times every day when you do it, it's the higher chances that you get your periods properly on right time and with the right good flow. So this is the reason of asking people to do Anga Pradakshanam.